My name is Ebun Sodipo. I live and work in London. I'm an artist and writer. I consider myself to be like interdisciplinary. I work across film, sound, text, performance. I think my practice is like archival in nature. I like use a lot of stuff from online social media and make like collages as well. And then I kind of bring in, I use a lot of poetry, both in terms of like text, but also in terms of aesthetics, to make connections, like fragile connections between images and words and feelings. And I guess I'm really interested in trying to like narrate the different ways that I've come into being as a Black trans feminine person after slavery and after capitalism, and how to speak about that. This is actually my first studio since I graduated from university, and so my original intention was to like work on a film, but instead I've just been making a lot of different things. I've like turned my performative practice inside out a little bit, instead of making videos to project, I'm now projecting images of myself onto like physical collages of images that are laid over these surfaces that are sometimes like reflective and shiny, like this one, or kind of speak to like building and like capitalism, like this scaffolding debris catcher. And so I'm using these images to think or put myself in this space where I can claim femininity and think critically about my relationship to femininity.